in 6-in-1 AP Plus 4 button. AP stands for AI Plus, whereas Plus 4 stands for 3 different running capacity: 80%, 60%, 40%. Press 6-in-1 AP Plus 4 button repeatedly to select each step. First step: AP, AI Plus convertible mode. The latest feature in the 2023 model is AP, which is known as AI Plus. This feature will only work with models which have Wi-Fi feature, and internet is mandatory for this feature to work. The air conditioner analyzes the surrounding environment and usage patterns to reach the desired temperature quickly. The airflow direction and fan speed are automatically adjusted to achieve the comfort settings. Second step: the power input is decreased by 20% compared to rated power input. 80% is displayed on the display screen. Means the AC is running on 80% capacity. Third step: the power input is decreased by 40% compared to rated power input. 60% is displayed on the display screen. Means the AC is running on 60% capacity. Fourth step: the power input is decreased by 60% compared to rated power input. 40% is displayed on the display screen. Means the AC is running on 40% capacity. Press 6-in-1 Virat button. Then, HC is displayed on indoor unit and remote display screen. Virat feature helps in changing room temperature quickly. It increases the AC capacity to 110%. And this feature can run continuously for the needed time.